Hare Krishna, Sadhu Pranam. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, Few Facts About Psychology. Today's topic of discussion, today we're going to discuss about social anxiety disorder further. So, in social anxiety disorder, a subject perceives the social situations as very threatening, and that fear is so intense that the stress hormone adrenaline is released in the body, and that stress hormone evokes a fight or a flight response, and many a times a subject is in a situation that subject can neither fight nor subject can flight. So the subject manifests with anxiety symptoms. The subject will start breathing very rapidly to intake more and more oxygen into the body. The heart's pumping action will increase to pump the blood into the body, and subject will start sweating to cool the body, and many a times subject may go blank. Some people with social anxiety disorder, they adopt safety measures, like they develop that over perfectionism attitude. They want to be perfect in everything so that they don't undergo criticism, because they have too much intense fear of criticism. And some of them, as a coping method, when they cannot fight, they cannot flight, they have to face the situation, they will go for the meeting, but they will remain silent to hide their fear. And sometimes some women, they hide their fear by doing extensive makeup to hide their anxiety. Some may carry anti-anxiety medications with them to cope up with the anxiety they fear. And avoidance symptoms, the person will totally avoid the situation. But let me make one thing clear: avoidance symptoms cannot eliminate your social anxiety. The only way to overcome your social anxiety is to face the fear. Face it with confidence. And if you have to face criticism, then face that criticism also with a smile on your lips, because nobody knows you better than yourself. If you are being criticized for something, some trait which is not in you, nobody knows you better than yourself. So you don't need to get anxious, because you know that trait does not apply to you. And if you are being criticized for some trait which you have in you, then also you don't need to get anxious, because you know that you have that trait in you, and you should be very much grateful to the critics who are criticizing you, because they are your friends, dressed up in the garb of critics, and they are showing you the mirror if you have that trait in you, and you should be grateful to them, and you should work on eliminating those traits in you. So there is no need of fear or anxiety in any situation. So that's all for today. Thank you many folds for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna.